Hello! Today we'll be doing an unboxing and first look of the Bitspower Lotan series water block for the MSI RTX 2080 Ti Gaming X Trio. As this card has a custom PCB, it has been very difficult to find a water block for it, especially since MSI is partnering with EK to make the Seahawk EKX edition of the 2080 Ti, so it is unknown if EK will release a standalone water block for the Gaming X Trio. Bitspower were the only manufacturer to announce a custom water block for the Gaming X Trio, so I have been eagerly waiting for this release. And they finally released it last week. The water block costs 5,250 Taiwanese dollars. And if you're like me, you are probably thinking, I have no idea what that means. It's about 172 US dollars, and the shipping from Taiwan to the US was about $39. Now, without further ado, let's get on to the unboxing. So this is the box that it does come in, and inside the box you'll see the included thermal pads for the installation, as well as all the screws, as well as Allen wrench for the installation. And it comes with some additional goodies. I love the Bitspower Dragon. It's very, very cute. And it comes with some stickers and badge, I believe, for any additional things you want to put onto your case. Okay, let's put that to the side. And now, what I really like is with this release, they do give you a custom backplate for the I/O portion, where most other water block manufacturers, they will let you use the default backplate. And it's kind of nice. This is the pure black, so it does match the case for most of the PC builds. If you have a white case, unfortunately, you might be a little bit out of luck. And this is the actual water block. Let's go ahead and get it out of the bag. So it is a very hefty water block. Seeing the Gaming X Trio is a very, very large card. And you can see the top is full plexi, and then the bottom is going to be nickel plated. And this particular card does come with RGB lighting. It is the 3-pin RGB. It is not a digital adjustable RGB strip. So if you plug into the wrong plug, which will be difficult seeing how it does have one pin blocked out, you can damage the RGB strip. And this is the included RGB strip, as well as it does have an anti-tampering stickers built onto the block itself. And from the top, you do see the Bitspower Dragon logo. And this will be very cool once you do turn on RGB. It does look very nice. From the other side, you have the GeForce RTX logo, as well as a Bitspower Dragon badge. Unfortunately, it's a little difficult to see in my lighting. And they do come with two included fitting stopper for one side of the water block, since you're not probably going to be using all four of the inputs and outputs. And that does and then after that, they do have a filler piece for this portion in case you're not running on SLI, and that would just fit right in there and to make the water block look a little more whole. And that concludes our first look of the Bitspower Lotan series water block for the MSI RTX 2080 Ti Gaming X Trio. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys all have a great day.